How to add effects on Instagram notes. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore a fun feature on Instagram. That is how to add effects on Instagram notes or add a special celebration effect in Insta note. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, to add a note, simply go to your Instagram DMs by clicking on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap on your profile icon in the top, and here you can type anything you want in the note. So here's the exciting part. Instagram has a hidden effect that activates when you use certain celebration-themed emojis like balloons, birthday cakes, or party poppers. Just type one of these emojis, and when you post your note, it will come to life with a celebratory animation. You will see balloons, confetti, and all kinds of festive vibes. So let's do this. Let's type in happy birthday, and you'll be done. It's that simple. This is a fun way to enhance your Instagram notes. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.